Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and you are watching Tech with Gajju. Today we are back with a new another video related to ServiceNow and today topic is Flow Designer. In this section we will discuss a very important topic in a ServiceNow like Flow Designer. In this video we are covering the what is Flow Designer, what are the benefit of Flow Designer and what are the component of the Flow Designer, and at the end of the video I will take one scenario based question related to Flow Designer. So let's start. What is flow design? Flow design is nothing but it automate the process and it is used in neutral languages, and with the help of flow we can automate the approvals, task and email notification and table operation. With the help of flow we can integrate with the external system also. So now we have checked see the what benefit of flow designer. Like with the help of flow designer we can achieve the automation on a single platform, and we can use a neutral language for logic and high reusability that we can achieve, and we can reduce the syntax error issues in the flow, and it will also reduce the upgradation cost and maintain effects, right? So we just go for the and we go for the component of flow designer. Like we have six set component. First is flow, second subflows, third is action, and fourth is core actions, and fifth is action steps, and sixth is spokes. So what are these are the things like I will tell you. Like flows is nothing but like with the help of flow is similar to the workflows. A flow is automation process that sequence of our actions and trigger, right? It automate the business logic for a specific applications or a process, right? On the snaps you can see that the flow is there, so we have so many flows are created, right? Now we go for the subflows is nothing but like flow is like I will give one example of the flows. Just like if you want to assign, we have a p1 incident raise, and we want to assign any specific group, right? So with the help of flow we can automate that process automatically, right? With that flow we can achieve. And subflow is nothing but subflow is also automated process with a sequence of action. However, subflows are required to data input. Like we have a set of input, so we have to provide with the help of flows. Within the flows you can provide so that it can trigger, or we get triggered by the flows and subflows also. Okay, for example, like if you want to send an email to the user related to a record on which a flow trigger, so you can create a subflow, and also that flow you can use for this. And now we go for the action is nothing but like we can a reusable component in the flow designer, and they can we can say this is a performance task such as creating the task and updating any record without using any without using any code. We have just we have inbuilt action that in the flow that we can use, or if you want to create any custom actions, so that we can do that one service now that will provide the access, like this we can say that. And for example, like if you want to create a record and a specific type, and if you want to update that record with the help of action that we can achieve. Now we go for the spokes is nothing but like we have a install. Like here you can see the snap. We have a install spokes are there, like ServiceNow core is there, connect is there. ServiceNow core is nothing but in which like you got the create, update and task, create, update records, and connection is nothing but if you want to connect with the ServiceNow to the other software that you can connect with the like Microsoft is there, and also is the ITSM is there, global is there. These are the spokes is there. So I will go through I will log in my PDI, so I will show you the everything in the PDIs. Okay, just here you can see I open my PDI. Okay, I open the flow designer. Flow, you can open it. Now this is the flow that I have already talking to you, and this is a subflow, and this is the action, and this is the execution is nothing but like whenever flow is triggering, like flow is execute, So you can see the history. We can say that what are how many flows and what are the flows are executing. You just click here and you check that. But basically we can say that this is like a history of the execution of flow, right? We can check it from here also. And now I will tell you the one scenario that it will help to creating. Just I will create one flow. Just click here, you can see. If you click on a new one, then it will provide the three things like flow, subflow and action, right? So now we want to create a flow. So just click on the flow and give the name of that flow, like just like I just creating one flow based on like incident creating. If the category is like network, then we have to assign a network group, right? So we have just to give that one. We write demo. Okay, and select the applications global. Okay, and here you can see run as that user who installs session or like service system users. So we have select the system user and submit. After submitting, here you can see, just like skip the tool. Here you can see this is the flow name that we have provided, and here you can see the state is now inactive, right? And because we didn't do anything, so as of now this is inactive. And here you can see these are the tabs are disabled, like test is disabled and active is disabled and save is disabled, right? Because we are not doing anything as of now in the flow, that's why it's all options are disabled. Once you start editing and that means like add the trigger condition, then it will like shown the save option. Like as of now I will tell you, click on trigger condition. Here you can see we have a three type of three ways we can create like trigger the flow. First is like record. Inside the record we have a like create, update and update or record, right? And we have a schedule is nothing but like based on like daily, weekly and monthly, whatever you want to execute this flow. So you can select based on that criteria, right? And here you can see the application is there. Application is nothing but inside the application we have a like service catalog is there, inbound email is there. Like with the help of inbound email it will also trigger, and is this is also SLA trigger when the flow is trigger on the task SLA table, right? So these are the criteria when the flow is triggered. So in our case we can just create that one. Click on that one. Trigger is based on creating, and here you can see now the save is enabled for us, right? Now select the table now in which like we have take the incident table. We just select the incident table and add the condition. For example, we take category is, we just take network and click on done, right? And after you here you can see save is enabled for us, but active and test is disabled, right? So we have just click on the add action, like we have to just update the thing. So here you can see in the ServiceNow core section we have a update record, right? So if you want to go, you can search by scroll down the arrow and you can search by that one. Otherwise you can just write the update record. Click on here. You can see here you can see select that update record. Inside the record like in which record you want to update, just here you can see data picker is there. With the help of data picker you select the table that record, instant record, and with the help of selecting that word table name also populated. Now in the table name, and after the which field we want to update, we have assignment group, right? AWSIG assignment group is there, so we have to update that group. Suppose we just take application development, right? If done, when after submitting that assignment group, then you click on done, right? So now I will tell you what we have to done. First we have to take this create a record when category is network, and the category when category is network, then we have to update the record as with the help of like assignment group with application development, right? And after set the condition and save, then just click on save button. After you saving that flow, and without, here you can see this is a flow is inactive, right? Without active, it can't be like active, right? So we just click on activate that one. So just click on activate. So now you can see this flow is active. Here you can see, right? So now what we have to do, I just create one incident record. Now we just click on new. Like, okay, you can select the caller, able to, and we just select the categories network, and in the description we write demo test. And after that, here you can see the assignment group is empty, right? So we just remember the incident number is 001 and click on save, right? Now we have to wait, like after flow is executed. Now here you can see first this assignment group is empty. Now assignment group is application development, right? So I will tell you the flow. Here you can see, click on that three word, click on execution. So here you can see, that this just now it's execute, right? Click on that one and you can see the steps, like how the flow is going, right? Just wait for that. Now you can understand with that of flow it will execute, right? So that's why it's populate here. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.